What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Chevy Trax remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2017 to 2026 Chevy Trax that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the side of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and if we take a look at the bottom of it, this is the slot right here that key just slid out of. So what I'm going to do is take my key and put just the very end of it in that slot, maybe about that much. Put just the very end of it in that slot, then I'm going to pry up like this. And as I do that, you can see it starts to open the case. Go ahead and pull the two halves apart. And then if your circuit board is sticking in the back half like this one is, you can just peel this rubber piece out, and then the circuit board will be free. We'll just set that down. We'll get that squared away before we close it up. But looking in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. I'm going to use my key just to get on the edge of the battery right here and get it out of that little battery holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. We'll snap our battery down in that holder. Then taking a look at this piece, we need to put our clear rubber piece in like this. And then our circuit board will go in there. And you can see there's this little notch right here, this little cutout on the circuit board, and that clear rubber piece fits in that. That'll tell you which way it needs to go in. Make sure you have it in the right way. Once that's sitting down where it needs to be, we can snap the two halves back together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.